Hello posture pupils and welcome to Sit Less, Move More. If you've not taken a Udemy course before, I'll show you in this video how the course is laid out into 12 sections and 36 lectures. Most of my lectures are video style, some audios, and some are PDF documents, and a few downloads to help you remember different parts of the course. Section 1 is an introduction to the course. In this section, I really get into the why you should sit less and move more. And when you retrain your bodies using the 5 main exercise routines in this course, you get rewarded with 3 real benefits. You get to hear a little bit about me and why I'm so posture obsessed. And there's a really cool infographic all about sitting, poor posture, and assertive body language. And it's free for you to download. Section 2 is just a short reminder to be safe when you're doing new exercises. And as you can see here, Section 3 is all about your well-being. So well-being includes our housing, our employment, how we think and feel about our lives, our relationships, emotions and moods, our dreams, and our overall satisfaction with life. The Quality of Life survey will help you track all of these aspects of well-being. But the main focus of the rest of the course is teaching you 5 different office exercise routines for each area of the body. Starting with the head and neck, made up of 3 exercises, moving down the body to the shoulders, and that routine has 2 exercises. You can see those here. A little reminder how you can get help from me. And then we move into the 3rd body routine for the mid-back, and that's made up of 3 exercises. Moving down further to the low back and pelvis, you can see there are 3 exercises in this section. And the 5th and final body routine is for standing up. I like to do this one when I'm on toilet breaks. And this one's made up of 4 different exercises. Section 10 gives you an exercise crib sheet to print and put up by your desk. And then Section 11, I've created an entire section on workplace ergonomics. Best sitting tips, should you use a standing desk, and a fab video to show you how to exercise your eyes. And then we end the course with a short evaluation so I can continue to improve the course over time, and then some final tips from me. So enjoy the course, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.